The first ever Feng Shui conference in Europe in years is going to be held in Lisbon from the 3rd to the 6th of May this year. So I'll be one of the speakers. I'll be giving 3 workshops. The first workshop will be introducing Zi Wei astrology to the audience, because most people know about 4 pillars astrology, Ba-Zi, but they don't really know much about Zi Wei astrology. So I'll be giving a workshop about that. And then speaking about Ba-Zi astrology, the second workshop that I'll be giving will be looking at identifying a person's useful elements and branches and stems from their 4 pillars chart, and then using this information to select the best dates for their activities. So that's my second workshop. And for the third workshop, I'll be using the principles discussed in this book here, which is about 4 pillars of destiny and the relationship with the I Ching. So the third workshop will be looking at the person's I Ching hexagram as constructed from the person's hour, day, month and year of birth. So that will be 3 workshops. They'll be probably around 1.5 to 2 hours each, so you can get plenty of value for your time. So I look forward to seeing you there. It should be a very fun conference where you will get to make new friends and meet people who are like-minded, and also enjoy the nice weather in Portugal at that time.